Hello everybody, this is Jason. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. I post contents related with Webrtc, JavaScript and Golang. If this interests you, please hit that subscribe button and stay updated. In this lesson, we're going to build a Webrtc 1-2 mini broadcast with pion, ion-sfu and ReactJS. Alright, let's get started. Okay, to start off, we'll init our first our project with create React app. Okay, and we'll call this React client. Okay, I'll pause the video because this does take a little while. Alright, welcome back. Looks like it's done. So what we need to do is we need to cd into the directory. Okay, and we'll open it in Visual Studio Code. Okay, first of all, we'll do some cleanup. We'll remove all the unused stuff. Okay, what we do here, let's remove all that. Just have a div and change that into a arrow function. You don't have to do this, but I just like it like that. Remove all that. Oops. Alright, and save that and get rid of that. We don't need these. And this. Okay, as usual, we're going to use Tailwind, so we're going to import it in. Okay, to do this is pretty simple because we're going to use the CDN version. So we just go to our public folder. In the public folder, we will add our link to the CSS, the CDN CSS. Okay, we'll just put it underneath the title. And while we're here, let's change the title. We'll call this pion, ion 1-2 many. Alright, and then let's pull in the library we need, which is the SDK. Okay, same old yarn add ion SDK.js. Okay, pull that in. Alright, looks like that's done. Okay, to start off, let's import React from React. Okay, and we'll usual stuff. We import from the ion SDK. Go in, yep. And we need the client and also the local stream. Okay, that's the two things we need. And also we need to import the connector from ion library signal. Oops, sorry. Signal and then JSON RPC. Okay. Now let's prepare the style. Okay, we will do the styling first, which I will paste that in because that is not our focus. Okay, for this, I'll paste it in. I'll explain to you what it is. All right. Okay. To start off, we have a wrapper. Okay, that's just Tailwind class names. Flex column. Screen height 100% relative. Okay, and the header, we put a header here, and also we're going to check, we haven't got that yet, but we can put it, let's put it in so it doesn't removes that. There's pub. Okay, so we're happy now. So if it's a publisher, it will display these buttons, else we display nothing. Okay, and same down the bottom, if it's a publisher, we display the video component or element of the publisher video. Okay, and same as here, else we will display this subscribe person's video element. Okay, and let's go and define these references. Okay, we haven't done these, so what we're going to do is just go straight under the app, make some spaces there, and we're going to comms pub video, and we're going to use React hooks. Okay, we're going to use ref. Okay, and another one is sub video. Use ref. Okay, these got imported automatically. Okay, up here, that's what that is. And also we'll add a few more variables in there. Okay, the first one is client because we need to use it further down the track. So we need to put this guy here into here. Oh, sorry, I just realized we haven't finished this one. So we need the ion, this guy here. Okay, another variable, like a global variable, we need a signal. Okay, happy. And in the next thing, we need to put the config for our Webrtc pair connection. Okay, is the ICE servers, and the turn server, we're going to use the Google one, okay, because it's free. And the next method is we're going to check the URL, see if this guy is a publisher or not. Okay, basically this is pub, it comes from here. Okay, what we're doing is we're going to search. So when we hit this from our browser, we're going to hit for example 8000, then we go like that, publisher or publish equals true. If we do that, then the is_pub becomes true, and then we get the correct so we display the correct stuff for the publisher, for example the button and the video. Sorry, I just got a bit, my tongue got curled up. Sorry about that. Alright, so that's what this is. Okay, next thing, we need a use effect function. Okay, that comes from React hooks as well. Use effect function. So basically this is like if you're familiar with React, you know what this is. It's just like the old class, a component on mount. That's what this is. Alright, so and as soon as the app gets kicked in, okay, we will start our connection. Okay, the first thing is we need to grab our signal, which is the variable up here, signal, and we will go new ion, this guy here, and then the address. Okay, you get the address from the starting of the ion SFU. Okay, and the port number, the path is WS. Okay. Alright, next thing is we need to kick up client. Okay, new client dot sorry, no dots. We need to pass the signal in and also the config in. Okay, that's what this is. Okay, ignore that because basically what that's saying is we will lose these variables within the use effect, but we solved that by having these up here, so we're not going to lose these variables. Okay, that's what these yellow lines are, if you're wondering. Okay, next, after we connect, we need to see on open, listen to the event of on open, okay, of the socket, of the WebSocket, sorry, and then we go client.join and then the room number. Okay, I mean the room name, we'll call this test room. Okay, that's it. And now we need to do a listen. So when we get a new pair, the publisher will get the video display automatically. Okay, we will check that. If he's not a publisher, then we display. Okay, if it's a publisher, this function will not get called. Okay, that's what this is. We got client on track, and we're expecting track and then stream. Okay, and this console log that, so we know it's working. Okay, when we do the test. Okay, and then we go track dot on unmuted. Okay, now we can use our refs, okay, which is these here. So this will be a sub. Okay, so we go sub video dot current, then we put this into the source object equals stream. Okay, and we'll do two more, autoplay and mute. Okay, we'll copy and paste those in. Okay, last thing we need to do is remove the stream. Okay, when the publisher leaves. So stream dot remove track. Okay, and then we go same here, move that, current source object equals null. Okay, that will black out the screen. Okay, that's it for that. And now the last thing we need to do is we need to make these functions. Okay, on click we start. Okay, start publishing. Okay, let's go and make that now. Oops, we better add that in, otherwise this function will get called crazy. You know, we'll keep on running if we don't put these this empty array bracket there. All right, let's do the start function. I'll call this an event. What this event is what we're passing in. Okay, either true or false. If it's a publisher, it's true. So we do a check here. If event is true, that means this guy is a publisher. So we go local stream dot get user media. Okay, and we define a resolution. VGA as normal. And then we go audio, true, codec, VP8. Okay, and then after that we get a then function, and we will get this media as well, which is should we call it stream, because that makes more sense there. I don't know, use media. We get a media from the camera. Excuse me. And then what we're going to do is really similar to up here, okay, except we're putting it in the publish. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste this instead of wasting your time watching me typing all this in. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go publish video, and we put the media into this guy here. All right, and then autoplay, control, mute, blah blah. Okay, and then after that we just need to publish this onto the server. Okay, and we pass the media in. Okay, that's our publish thing, and let's catch if there's any error. Okay, catch, and then we just got a console log, console error, and then else if we publish the screen. Okay, really it's same as this. Okay, the only difference I'll show you. Let me copy that here and let's put it down here. The only difference you're going to make for screen is you're going to get display media. Okay, and also we need to add video in here, otherwise it will throw an error for some reason. Okay, all right, that is it. Believe it or not, we can do some testing. Okay, we're just going yarn start. Okay, okay, hold on, I'll just pull in a browser. Okay, it's showing error. It's importing the index from the index.js. Okay, let's remove that, and that error should go away because we've deleted this. Okay, sorry about that, it should look better. All right, let's test this thing out. Okay, and I just had another look. Okay, there's a typo here. That's the reason, you know, TypeScript is recommended, because this type of stuff will not happen if you use TypeScript. Okay, should be publish. Okay, and now let's do some real testing now. Okay, let's bring in our browser. Okay, this guy is a publisher. Okay, let's, oh, before we do that, we better start up our SFU, aren't we? Okay, this ain't gonna work without the SFU. All right, let's go here. Check out the last video, the one with vanilla.js, and that will show you how to compile this SFU. And I have already compiled it. What I'm going to do is just going to run it. Okay, now it's running. And remember I told you that address. Okay, you see that, you get that from here. Okay, it's localhost. I'll make it bigger so you can see it. And port 7000. Okay, let's do some testing. Let's refresh this guy and connect our client. I'm going to turn off that speaker, but otherwise you get an echo. You get a. All right, and let's do our publish our camera. Okay, yep, and that seems to work now. Okay, let's try the screen. I'll do my other screen there. There you go, the screen is there, and prove this is multiple subscribable. Okay, we can open as many as we like. Okay, all right, done. Another one. Okay, now we done. Okay. All right, I hope you have learned something from this, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and there will be many more of this type of video. I'm thinking doing a Flutter one after this one. All right, until next time, we'll see you next time. Bye now.